Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Too Much Tech. And in today's video we're going to be reviewing Steelseries $50 Arctis 1 gaming headset. So this headset is the wired version of the Arctis 1. They do have a wireless version as well. I doubt I'll take a look at that one in the future because I'm pretty sure the audio quality is probably pretty similar, and then you just have the addition of not having a wire tethered to your headset. Getting into the wired version of the Arctis 1, I do actually kind of like this headset. Steelseries headsets I find for the most part are not very comfortable, and that's simply because of the amount of adjustability that the headsets have, or lack thereof, I should say. Except for this one. This one is really adjustable. Obviously your ear cups swivel quite a bit. They have a little bit of range of motion right here going up and down, and then this is what the higher end Steelseries headsets are missing. Just having this little bit of extra motion to adjust the headband is killer. Now, because my head is so huge, I can wear this headset really comfortably. Now, I won't say that the ear pads are the most comfortable, but they're pretty decent, and this one is only 50 bucks. The Arctis Pro feels a little bit better in terms of the ear cups than the Arctis 1. Just a little bit. It is noticeable though, so I'll say that much, that they did improve the ear cups on the higher end version. But for only $50, I'm willing to compromise the quality of the ear cushions because you're spending significantly less money. The sound quality on these is pretty good as well. I noticed that this has more bass than the Astro headsets that I've used in the past, and that's really nice because you feel it a little bit and you hear it a lot more than you do in the Astro. So that's good, especially at the $50 price range. If you're looking for something that's going to give you a little bit of an immersive experience, obviously it's not going to knock your socks off, but it is pretty good. The positional audio is really good too, which is very important, especially for a gaming headset, because you want to know that if there's an enemy to your right, but he's not just to your right, he's to your right and he's behind you just a little bit. You want to be confident that your headset is giving you the right direction to look so that you can turn around and get a headshot or something. I don't know. Quickscope the guy. With these being compatible with literally everything, what that means is that they just give you a 3.5mm jack for this headset. Unfortunately, it's not detachable, so if the cable breaks, your headset breaks. So that's not really the nicest, but at the same time, you know, they probably wanted to cut down on manufacturing a little bit, but they give you this 3.5mm jack, and then in the box, they also give you the 3.5mm splitter. So you will have it separated for your mic and your game audio that you can plug into your PC. This headset does work with PC, Xbox One, PS4, Nintendo Switch, phone, mobile gaming, anything that has a 3.5mm jack. Probably not compatible with most of your phones without the little adapter, but this will work with anything. For the decent sound quality that it has, it's nothing that's gonna blow your mind. It gets decently loud too. I am pretty impressed with how good this headset is. Personally, I would buy these over other headsets in this price range, like the Astros or the Turtle Beach headsets. I feel like these are gonna give you a little bit better build quality and longer lasting, especially because you have like this leatherette pad right here. You have some adjustability right here on the side. These ear cups rotate and swivel, and then you have a little bit of motion right here on the ear cups, and I feel like having that much motion is going to help the durability a little bit in case you kind of throw it on your bed, or hopefully not on the floor, and it hits it, at least it's got a little bit to move around. It's not fully rigid, so having that little bit of flexibility will hopefully increase the durability as it has the comfort. And then here is just a quick sound test of this microphone for you guys, so you guys can see how it sounds, especially with a lot of just some natural dialogue, gaming late night, seeing how, you know, the lows pick up if you're not really talking that loud. Is this gonna be good enough for you? But personally, I think the mic sounds okay for what it is. I haven't really tried a lot of other headsets in this price range to really give it a fair comparison, but I do think that this one sounds pretty decent. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you guys are new. If you guys are interested in picking up the Steelseries Arctis 1, I will have it linked in the description below. But until then, I will catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to stay safe out there, and I hope you guys have a good rest of your day.